Not him again.
Hi. Wow, you got laddus today.
Hey, nothing is for free here. If you want to buy something, then fine, or else leave.
Sure. Just hand me my regular deo. But I won't pay in cash.
Haven't I told you? Lending leads to ending up friendships.
Yes, Nihal bhai, but why don't you hear me out? Yeah, maybe I won't give you cash, but I'll use my mobile wallet to transfer the money. This phone has now become a wallet. If that suits you, then fine. Or else you can give it on credit. That's great.
Going digital is not enough, brother. You should make sure you are doing it safely.
Pardon me?
May I know why haven't you put a PIN or a password on your phone yet?
That's because I wanted to save time. Tell me who will enter the PIN every single time?
Sounds good. You can save your time this way. But by doing this, you may lose your money someday.
Actually, Nihal bhai, I just installed the app today. Using these things scares the hell out of me.
But why do you get scared? Just be careful about safety. Trust me on this. It's all very easy. Just do not share your wallet details with strangers or even your friends. And the most important thing, always keep the phone security features on and always use the latest versions of the wallet. Haven't you heard? Travelers should themselves take care of their belongings.
Wow, Nihal bhai, I accept that you're really an encyclopedia. So does that mean that if we remember these couple of things, then paying through the wallet and app is really very safe and easy?
Good morning. Is my order ready?
Oh yes. Hello Ganesh.
Yes, sir.
Bring that packed stuff out here.
All right,
and
sir.
be quick. Ma'am, here is your bill.
I could not go to the ATM today. I'm short of cash. Online banking?
Oh yes, why not? Of course.
Thank you. One moment. The last four digits of your account are 1029, right?
That's right. The money has been received.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was so easy. But what was she hiding, Nihal bhai?
She was ensuring that her password isn't seen by anyone. Good habits always keep you safe.
What if someone sees it?
Always create a difficult password that is tough to understand. And keep changing your password often.
Don't worry, I'll create such a password that even Einstein won't be able to crack it. But what if the phone gets lost?
Well, the banking app will never ever work without your password. And you can use an OTP which is active only for a short time. And remember, one should never use an open Wi-Fi in order to save few bucks. Use your own data to make payments, right?
Thank you so much, oh digital Guruji. You really told me very useful things today. Do you really tell this to all your customers?
Not just customers. I tell shopkeepers too. Have a look. Mobile wallet. Dear customers, when you make payments through your mobile wallet, please pay careful attention on few things. Always install a certified app and keep the app updated. Always use a PIN or a password on your phone. Do not give your phone to anyone. Do not share your PIN or OTP with anybody. Before making any transaction, please check the account number and mobile number. Dear shopkeepers, while accepting payment through a mobile wallet, make sure that the QR code is secure and that nobody tampers with it. Check all the transactions regularly with the wallet statements. Do not give your wallet details to anyone and do not ask for the customer's wallet details. Online and mobile app banking. When using the computer for net banking or the mobile app for online payments, make sure that your login ID and password are kept safe and do not share these with anyone. Never use an open Wi-Fi for online banking. Always keep your app updated and keep changing the password regularly. Dear shopkeepers, here are some important points for you. Always use secure payment gateways and HTTP websites only. If you suspect any attempt of cheating, then please report it to the police immediately. If you want to use Bheem app to make payments, then keep the following things in mind. Keep your Bheem app updated to the latest version. Do not transfer money to unknown people. Never ever write down your MPIN anywhere. Always tally your transactions with your statements. Dear shopkeepers, take care while making transactions with Bheem. Install the app only from a reliable store and register yourself as a merchant. Before you make a request for payment, remember to check the mobile number or VPA address of the customer. Always keep your unique Bharat QR code secure and do not let anyone tamper with it. If these little details are ensured by you, then digital payments will be easy, safe and secure for you.
That's great. In a single day, not even our school has ever taught us this much. Okay, tell me something. Ever since my father linked the bank account to this Aadhaar card, he's been saying that we can make transactions using Aadhaar too. Hope he doesn't get into any trouble.
Your father is absolutely right. But he should ensure that before transferring money to anyone, he should check his Aadhaar number or his bank account number carefully. And remember, one should use his thumb very precisely. That's it. Just don't let the shopkeeper ask any extra details. And don't let him spy your details either. Remember these things and all your transactions will be safe and secure, okay?
La 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 la. Give me 20 torches and batteries, please. Next bus will be here soon.
Which place are you going to light up with so many torches, Mr. Sansani?
Well, a torch can light up any dark place, my friend. But the darkness is inside your mind. Payment mode?
Whichever way you like. For the customer's convenience, even we shopkeepers have to go digital now.
So, here's my card.
Sure, why not?
Wow, Mr. Torch and Battery. Even you make digital payments.
PIN please.
Yeah, sure. That's 925 transferred. And here comes my SMS statement.
Aren't you scared? What if your card gets lost?
Then get your card blocked at once by calling the customer care.
But,
My dear friend, why don't you explain to him? He's just too much.
Here's your card. Maybe 1, 2, yellow or blue. Credit, debit or maybe prepaid. If you act safe, my friend, then never be afraid. Supermarket or any retail shop. Using a card is now very easy and safe. Don't worry, I say. Just be very careful when you pay. Keep your card in your wallet, your hand or maybe pocket. But your PIN should not reach wrong hands. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. PIN should always be in your mind. Write letters or shopping lists, but never write down your card details. You may give your heart to anyone, but give your PIN to no one. Not to uncles, not to aunts, and never to any close ones. Any bank will never ask for your CVV or PIN number. And I hope you remember this point forever. Whether you change clothes or not, keep changing the PIN regularly. Let me tell you, every bank has cards and you can make payments with any card. Let's make a digital India. Always remember the safety points and you can become Digital Mr. India. See you later.
Yes.
got it, Guruji. Do you have any video for this?
Here you go. Credit cards and debit cards. If you use credit, debit or prepaid or any other card to make your payments, then make sure that your CVV and PIN are neither told to anyone nor shared. Don't let your card's PIN be seen by anyone else. Never give your card to any unknown person. Dear shopkeepers, please pay attention to these points as well. Keep the POS machine in a secure place and update it too. A customer's card details should never be stored. You might get into trouble for this. If you use the AEPS, then remember to check the Aadhaar number and account number carefully before making the payment. Aadhaar card or biometric details should never be given or to be stored by any trader. Do not ask any unknown person for help. Dear shopkeepers, this information is important for you. Keep the Aadhaar POS machine updated and secure. Customers' Aadhaar details should never be stored or printed on slips. USSD. In case you do not have a smartphone and you use USSD, then that is easy too. Just make sure that before making a payment, you carefully check the MMID and mobile number. MPIN or OTP should neither be written down anywhere nor disclosed to anyone else. Never write MMID or MPIN on your phone. If these little details are ensured by you, then digital payments will be secured and easy for you.
Digital payment. It's always with you.
And always secure.